Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to this new video of Unreal Engine. So in this one I want to modify a bit the template of the third person project. So we will start creating this new project. So let's start. Okay, so we will now go to games, choose well, first person. Yeah, the first person is fine. Let's just call it my test first person. And let's create. Okay, so once we have it open, we will first just run it to see how it's the default game. So just basically this, right? We can pick up the weapon and shoot. Okay, just by clicking on the left mouse button. Okay, so that's it. So we will make some modifications. Let's first modify the ball. No, what is being thrown. So first of all, we will open the content drawer, and we will look for the blueprint that is for the projectile. So it's this one, okay. And what we will try is to make it different. We'll try to modify. So let's just open it over here. Okay, and now what we will have to do? Well, here we will not touch anything. This is basically just setting the physics. Like if we hit something, this force will be applied to the object that is being hit. So we can try just change this and put 1, for example. We compile it and run again the game, and we can see now it's not moving, basically nothing. It doesn't have any strength. And opposite, if we change it to a big number like 10,000, compile, run, you can see it's so strong that it even disappeared the items. You see, it's super, like, it's really not disappearing, but it's so, you saw like it's so fast that it seems like it's disappearing. But let's keep it like it was. So it was 100. Let's keep it this way. Okay, so this should be like by default, right? Yeah, so that's it. Okay, well, I would like also to maybe modify the weapon. I would like to not just shoot when you click on the left button, but I would like to shoot when you maintain it, not like the automatic weapons. So for that, we will have to find here in the blueprints, go to input, actions, and here we have AI shoot. Okay, so we can open this, and here we have triggers, and here we have pressed. So basically that's what's triggering the event to shoot. So we can change it and, for example, choose, I don't know, down. I think down is the one that will allow us to shoot if we have the mouse left button. Yeah, you see now it's like extremely like fast. Okay, like the sound is not perfect. You see, like after a few seconds, like it stopped, but it's still shooting, right? But yeah, like the sound is not perfect. But yeah, in that way you can just modify the speed of the event. Okay, and one thing I want to change also, as you can see, it's always disappearing the object after 3 seconds, because here, like, we have a parameter is called initial lifespan, and we will change it to 30 instead of 3. Okay, so basically 30 seconds will be alive, the ball. So let's try it now again. Yeah, like we can now really like fill this place with balls, and they're still here. You see a lot of balls now because they disappear in 30 seconds, not in 3. So in that way we can control also the speed of the item suicide. And now I would like to change, right? We can change the, let's use some assets from here, from Quickly Bridge, and we will change the sphere. Instead of a boring sphere, we will choose something else. Let's say, let's go to assets. Let's choose some food. I think I already have downloaded some food from before. It should be maybe yeah, like this one, roast chicken leg. So because I love this roast chicken legs, so yeah, let's add them. So add, I think they should be already downloaded, right? Export. Why is not working? Okay, we have it. Yeah, we have to download them again. Now we add them. Okay, yeah, we already have them. So we can just go here to Mega Scan, 3D assets, roast chicken. Yeah, we can see we have 2 because one is the low quality, other is higher quality. Okay, which one is the lower quality? Yeah, I think this one, the second one. So yeah, I will just delete the medium quality because I just want to use the low quality, so the performance is not affected. And now we go back to the blueprint, where is for the first person projectile. We press on sphere, and here where is the static mesh, we just put chicken, and here we have it, the chicken legs. Okay, and one thing also to be aware is that the scale is reduced by like 10 times smaller. Okay, so we have to modify this and put 1, so it's not so small that it's invisible. And also in the collision component, let's change the sphere radius to make it smaller, because actually the chickens will be smaller than the spheres. So just put 5. Okay, so let's compile this and let's run it again. And that's it. We are now shooting chicken wings. So in that way you can just simply modify the blueprint and set the ammunition you want. Okay, so I think that was all for this video, to make it short. So I hope you like it. Comment anything you want to suggest me for the next video, or any ideas, whatever, and subscribe.